Largo residents are recycling more, and recently Largo City Commissioners, along with city management officials, visited 137th Lane to personally thank those residents for being some of Largo's best recyclers.
It was important for us to recognize residents for our commission, to recognize the residents, to thank them personally, and to give them a little something that reminds them to keep recycling, to keep doing a great job. Throughout the city, people have been very excited about recycling, and in fact, each individual has been very proud of the fact that they can recycle and that they can recycle more. We've given them the opportunity with our blue carts to make it easier to recycle. They can put all their recycling together, and then it goes to a mixed recycling processing plant where it's all sorted out by machines to make recycling easier. This absolutely exceeded our goals for recycling. We increased recycling by 60%. So we are getting that, what would have been landfill waste, we're getting that recycled and giving it another opportunity.
And you can learn more about mixed recycling at largorecyclesmore.com.